Hey guys, it's NIC here with another daily recap. Really choppy Monday for me. Probably overstayed my welcome. So since last week was a flawless week, I had all green days throughout the week and also a couple of green days prior to the week. So it was a nice green stretch. So today Monday I was hoping to continue it. However, it's a red day for me and was quite hard. As you can see, it's 11:33 now. Because of the win streak, I think I might have traded way more than I should, probably over traded, which gave me a decent size red day because I was keep on trying to win back and continue my win streak to get it to at least like 2 digits day or something. But that's unfortunately how it is. Really choppy day for me. So without further ado, I'll just share for today's stickers. So as usual, my swings, AMBO broke the 2.6 ish. Pretty nice to see at this level now. And then AMS still didn't cross the 3. I mean, it did cross 3, but didn't really hold. So AMC, nothing much. So the first ticker I traded was SPI. If I'm not wrong, it was, the pre-market. So I added here around 77. Then got out at 62. Then I start seeing this downtrend. So I was thinking if it's coming back up, maybe I can add in the open for it to pop, to break the PM high around this area, which it didn't. So as it's curling here, I added small, just some, like this is the first time it's trying for the view up. So I added here, thinking it's also maybe I could at least sell half here and let the rest try for PMH and further, but it didn't. So false breakout, got shorted here and volume didn't come in. This is my fault. This is a pretty low volume. Probably think I was too eager to trade. So this is a bad trade. So got stop out here and decided not to touch it as it couldn't break this trend. So that's all for SPI, which is the first ticker I traded. Probably forced the trade. Like it wasn't that good to begin with. Plus, as you can see, the black line is what I put the 200 SMA, which is really strong. So knowing that, I still added here because of these 3 days. Then I was thinking like perhaps it could. So really bad decision. So that's one losing trade. Probably got overconfident from my win streak and the whole week of green days last week. So second was MTSL. This was in the open too. So I added here, sold off here, really nice. Seeing it didn't cross the PMH that convincingly. So I sold off here, and so that was a new high, but seeing there isn't strength, the level 2 and stuff, the action feels a little weird. And so as you can see, today is a really choppy day, so instantly took a knife. Thankfully I got out here, seeing it didn't convincingly break the PMH. So sensing, smelling that it's a false breakout, and so basically it's a really choppy day. Other than this, CARV, this was another bad trade. Seeing how the past few days is, I actually got, last week I got a lot of profit from CARV, so I probably grew some attachment to this ticker, which is a bad habit. You should not have any attachment to any tickers because it will cloud your judgment. So first thing is it was very volatile in the PMH and all these topping tails, long topping tail, and there wasn't really any volume. So this is a really bad trade. However, CRV gave me a lot of money last week, so I probably hop in here hoping for the same thing. So just like that, lost $1 per share. Another bad trade. So this puts me really, like, I was 70% of my daily stop loss. So then comes CRTD. It was alright, halted up the first time. So when it opened, I added here, sold off here. Pretty okay. Missed this move, but I'm okay with it. So it's still okay. However, at this point, I'm still like 50% of my daily stop loss. So comes SGOC. So I was seeing this first hold up, 10 minutes halt. So probably something's going on. Halted another 10 minutes, then I joined at the top. The worst way to trade this is bad trading 101. One halt, two halt, usually the third halt will be down. And I added at the top. I was thinking, cause last week the market is pretty hot, but today it somehow cools off and was really choppy. So just this gave me a lot of loss. So basically, the candle open here, right? So as I see, it's moving up down a little here. So as it's going up, I added here for it, added at 25 for it to break. But 25 for this, this was the resistance somehow. So it got shorted down, just nice. So it closed here. Then the next candle instantly tried to go up and wham, you went down instantly. It isn't even a 1 minute full candle. It just went down in the hole instantly. So, and then next thing, the ask was like 19. Yeah, so instantly like that, this is, let's say this is 25, right? This is 19. Instantly $6 loss. Just like that. Like instantly, I lost $6 per share. So this puts me at really great. And I was feeling very emotional. Like, oh, there goes my win streak. That's one thing. Secondly is I'm in the red because of poor trading and discipline today. It's like last week I took 2 steps forward. Today I just took 2 steps back and just basically lose everything and lose what happened. That's how I feel. And also feeling like I've been trading so well. I thought I had something going on. I was going to start a new streak, but this is just really poor trading, and I lost more than I should from this. One thing is because I got caught in the hot down, so sold some here and sold some here. So basically, it's like selling here, so it's still insane. Then, however, I added here. So as it's breaking this downtrend, I sold some here. It was consolidating here for quite a while, really choppy too. Then somehow it went up, so some here, went up again, sold some here, really nice. So I had like just a little bit of share left. I probably should have added, but I wanted to play safe. Like I don't want to lose more than I already lost. So I was just trying to take back as much money as I can. So however, I could have added here, but the fear was in my head. I didn't want to lose more and just ruin the record. So I think the training journal got into my head, like to want a nice record. So yeah, however, it went down. It went up to a hot. So thankfully, however, I only got very little share here. So sold off the remaining here. As I see, it's not really holding here. So yeah, then I was saying this could be a nice one. This knife I thought it was over. Then it got bought back up, so I was feeling like, oh man, if I bought here and like let's say sell here, this is the profit I will make. And this could turn my red day into green day, and I could continue my green streak. So yep, thinking I could continue my green streak and playing too much to one thing to continue the green streak really clouded my judgment. So this is already a chase, and it's like 11:17 at this point of time. I Unless I got a position around here, I probably shouldn't even touch this. So I added here thinking it could potentially go and break a new high, and 29 was the highest. 29 could be a blue sky. For now, I'm sure there's higher price in the past. Yeah, there's 33 and stuff. But for now, there wasn't anyone. So seeing this, I was thinking, okay, if it breaks 29, I could potentially one trade earn back what I lost. So greed and basically just it got in my head. So I'll stop out here. Then took another knife, trying again. Was gonna add here, but I decided I should not overstay my welcome, and thankfully I didn't. So because it went further down, this period was super choppy. I believe a lot of I would say retail traders like me and the rest get this period probably killed a lot of people. As you can see, the volume buying up. This looks very bullish. Long bottom tail bullish. Then a new high going to here. Then it didn't really. Then this force like this mass sell off. Probably a lot of people might get stop out here. Then it went up again. So and if not, they might get stop out here. Then it went up. So people thinking, okay, maybe this is the dip. They bought the dip, which is me. I thought here was the dip, except I bought it a little higher than I should. So this is poor discipline here. I didn't get a few here. I should not have cared at all, but I added here. So same thing. However, I see it was going down, but it didn't go lower than this level, and seemed to have some volume. So I was thinking, okay, then I got fake out here. So it was a mess sell off here. Then I got stop out. So then you can see it's going up again. As you can see, it's really choppy. So very frustrating day for me. Like it's because of me wanting just the mindset of wanting to continue my green day make me traded so poorly. And secondly is all my hard earned winning last week. I gave it back some of it just in one day. So really poor trading today. Mainly is cause of this downhold. This downhold and the thought of me wanting to win back that loss in order to continue my green streak really ruins it for me. So it's a poor trading day for me. I don't know. I mean, there might be worse days, but today feels like one of the worst that I have uploaded. So hopefully you guys can learn from this. And there's no way to learn, as in there's no better ways to learn than mistakes. So in this case, I'm the one wasting the money doing the hardship, and hopefully you guys can learn something from this. It's better than, I don't know. I mean, yeah, that's the realest way you can see how emotional trading is. Thankfully, I didn't revenge trade, or I could be even worse than the rate. So that's just how it is. I'm just stop here and just go take a shower, refresh, and come back stronger tomorrow. Yeah. So see you guys. Hopefully you guys share it better than me. Same thing. And remember, stay safe, trade safe. I'll see you first thing in the morning tomorrow. Peace.